Hey everyone, today is all about fun, laughter, and some much needed girl time because it's our girls' outing day. Yay! I'm here with my amazing friend Sarah, and we are ready to explore, eat, and just have the best time ever. Let's go!
वाक्क लागिसक्यो मलाई साँच्चै भने जहिले हामी निस्किने बेलामा पानी मात्रै पर्छ. God doesn't want us to wear dress. हामीलाई जहिले पनि प्यान्ट लाएर मात्रै आउनु भन्छ क्या. तर मैले आज चाहिँ नो, आज चाहिँ म ड्रेस लगाउँछु भनेर.
Now we came to Lotte to get some snack for our outing.
हाम्रो Korean market and the snacks that I want is somewhere. It should be somewhere here. कता भयो क्या? Oh, यहाँ छ. It's here. Oh, नि कपीको. It's here. कहाँ छौ तिमी? कहाँ छौ? Where are you? Oh, you. ला छैन फ्लेभर बार्बिक्यू. स्मोक बार्बिक्यू अनि no wasabi. You want to try? Let's try. यो पनि यहाँ आएर स्विट बेजल पनि रहेछ. ओ यो थियो नि थुक्कै एउटा ल्याउने बिर्सेछु मैले. Looking something to take for running.
Now this is the Japanese bakery section. They have all their snacks from Japan, the bread and cakes. I really love the Dora cake. Last time I took and it was so good, so I took it this time too.
Very well. यत्रो जिम गरेको काम आउँदैन पानी मैले पानी एउटा कार्ड लिएर आउँ न त. ल ओके.
Both took all the stuffs that we needed for the girls trip because I bought home food for Sarah and we didn't have snacks, so we got some snacks from Lotte. Now we are heading to Chick-fil-A to get our favorite burger and something to drink because there was nothing we have carried to drink, so we thought let's have Chick-fil-A. And this was Sarah's treat because I bought my own food, she got me burgers, and yeah, now let's go. She is taking me to a place where she had been before. It's like a beach and I was not aware about this place, but the only thing is it rained. Oh my god, it spoiled all our beautiful day because if it was not raining again, it would have been like so beautiful, this place. So beautiful, and there were like not many people. It was not that crowd, so let's go.
सामान निकालौँ है. वेदर आज यस्तो छ कि घाम लाग्छ भनेको घामै लागेन त कस्तो. खै हेरौँ एउटा कति एबिसीको ल्याएको छु मैले. पर्दा फास्ट हुने अलग. अरू यहाँ छ बाँकी. के बात छैन, हिन्दी गाना त कसैले बजाइहाल्छ होला. एराबिकमा पनि भाइब गर्दा नि हुन्छ. अलिक बेसी फ्यामिलीहरू भयो भने होइन, फ्यामिलीहरू आयो भने चाहिँ यस्तो राम्रो रहेछ नि यहाँ. बस्न पनि मिल्छ कि, तर गिलो छ होला. प्लास्टिक ल्याउनु पर्छ हामी.
I am very upset with this rain because every time I go out it rains. We thought we will have our food, our lunch, sitting somewhere in front of the river and stuff, but nothing went as per plan. So now we are just going for a walk to see the place, how it is. I have never been here, and as I told you that people here, they enjoy every little thing. So even this is like a very beautiful place. Yes, for this location. So there is a fishing deck from people. They come for fishing, and people here, they come for picnic with their families. It's a very nice place for a picnic actually, if it was not raining. That's what we thought, but no, it has rained and it spoiled everything out.
But it's nice. It feels like sea. हाम्रो यही लोकल सी लोकल तर वेदरले चाहिँ गर्नु गऱ्यो क्या यहाँ रहेछ फिसिङ पेयर फिसिङ त जाने यहाँ मान्छेले कायाक गर्दैन होला र गर्छ मेरो त यस्तै हो जहिले जहिले निस्किन्छु तहिले तहिले पानी पर्छ एभ्री टाइम पानी नै पर्दा हुन्छ अब खाना पनि खाइएन अब हिँड्नु
Now, due to some technical glitch, there is no voice in the video, so I am giving a voiceover. Now let us show off our food, what all we bought. So that's the Chick-fil-A. These are all the snacks that we bought. Now is the time for ghar ka khana. I bought it for Sarah. So let's sanitize our hand and let's get started. This is mula ka achar that I made. This is methi ka paratha that I bought for her. And this is jika ko sabji. What's that? Google it. And spicy aam ka achar.
2,000 years later. 1 hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later.
I promise this is the last thing we're eating.
ए तिमीलाई सोर्टेड तिमीलाई कफी मन पर्दैन लेट्स गो सोर्टेड सो अब हामीहरू होइन कफी जस्तो मन पर्दैन तर हामीलाई पम्किन स्पाइस चाहिँ मन पर्छ अब हामी फेरि हिँड्नु थालेको होला आज कोही छैन यहाँ अघि भन्नु मृग लाग्छ
It's very common here in Virginia to spot a deer. It's everywhere.
ट्राफिक हामी यहाँ छौँ ट्राफिक वहाँसम्म छ पानी ट्राफिक अनि एक्सिडेन्ट त हुन्छ जहिले नि निस्किन्छ एभ्री टाइम मेरो जति पनि ब्लग छ नि त्यसमा सधैँ पानी पर्छ बाटोमा एक्सिडेन्ट हुन्छ एम्बुलेन्स र पुलिसको गाडी जान्छ अनि यस्तो ट्राफिक हुन्छ उफ, के भन्ने कहाँसम्म छ यो एक्सप्रेस वे होइन एक्सप्रेस वे पनि पुरा फुल छ ओ माई गॉड
After roaming around in the state park, after having our food and snacks and everything, we decided to go to mall. So Sarah, she took me to Tyson's mall. There are like two Tysons, one Tyson 1 and another Tyson 2. So this is Tyson 2. We just did window shopping because everything was very expensive. After that, Sarah, she dropped me home and then we went back. That's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.